Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the first ever Taddy Brothers trade-in programs. It is a program with no exceptions. We will take any of your systems back. And if you watch the rest of the video, I will tell you how to sign up for it, and I'll give you all the details about this new deal. Let's get started. Okay, so what's the basic premise for this trade-in program? Well, it's like this. You have an old system, we have a new system, the version 3. We want you to upgrade to the new system. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna either whip on over to TadiBrothers.com, sign up for our emails, or give us a jingle at 866-966-5550 and tell the agent, I want the trade-in, okay? So that's basically it. And then that agent, as long as it's a version 3 digital, is authorized to instantly give you a $200 voucher. Now you're gonna ask yourself, well, what about the trade-in and all that stuff? It's very simple. Once you buy the system and you get it delivered, right, and you see that you're happy with it, as I know you will be, considering all the features that I'll go over in a second, there will be a return label in the box that you can just take your old rinky-dinky system, put it in the box, slap on the label, send it back, and we're good to go. That's the basic idea. Now, why would you want to upgrade to the version 3? That's a fair question because you already bought a Taddy Brothers system and it's fantastic. Here's the deal. This version 3 system has over 300-foot range. It comes pre-configured with audio, and for the first time, it is a digital wireless system with 1080p resolution. Another first that we have here is that it is available in 7, 9-inch, and now a 10.5-inch digital wireless monitor. It's obviously split screen with 14 different modes. So you could see it 2 at a time, 3 at a time, 1 at a time, and in many different configurations of that. So that's the basic idea. And I'm telling you, we don't care about the condition of your existing system. A lot of them taking a beating. I mean, we have systems on the road that are still working after 15, 20 years. So this is a way of us saying thank you to you for your loyalty, and we're giving you, in some cases, full credit for the system that you purchased from us. For example, if you bought a wired system, a 24464, that's the wired analog system, or the wireless analog, a 90117, or any other combination of an older system in the last 20 years, the trade-in program will apply. Keep in mind that the 24464 at some point was $180, or the 90117, which we've sold hundreds of thousands of those, were historically priced at around 225 bucks, right? So you'd basically be getting full credit for the system that you used and abused for the last, up to 20 years. So that's the basic concept. Now, which systems do you want to get? You would want to get any version 3. So if you want to just simply upgrade your 1-camera system, do the 90121, right? That is the RV camera with a 7-inch monitor. Or if you want to get a little frisky and you want to get a multi-camera system, the 19434. Those are 2 fantastic options with very few upgrades, by the way, with these systems, right? Because we've now integrated everything there. So where in the past you'd have to upgrade to high definition, audio, all those things, these come with it, right? It comes with audio, it comes with 1080p, it comes with the 300-foot range. It's not an upgrade that you need to do. The grid lines are included. That's not an upgrade anymore. It's all included in all version 3 system. And again, for the first time, we have a 10.5-inch monitor, and the only upgrade that you can do other than choosing the monitor size is you can decide if you want a mobile DVR, which is also a first for us in our digital systems. So that's the basic idea for the trade-in program. You give us your old system, we give you an instant $200 credit. You could do it either online or over the phone. That's basically it. If you're still not sure you want to buy from us, well, let me tell you this. When you buy from us, you get a 30-day full money-back guarantee. You have a 1-year world-class warranty that's serviced right here in the USA. So you're getting all that. In addition, if you're still not sure, I'll tell you this, whip on over to trustpilot.com. Type in Taddy Brothers and there you will see our hundreds and hundreds 5-star reviews, and anybody that looks at reviews knows how hard it is to achieve that many 5-star reviews. Beyond that, call us anytime. Our American-based agents will gladly help you, and they're looking forward to speaking with you. Our number is 866-966-5550. If you want to speak to me, even about this trade-in, my name is Tamir. I am always around, and it'll be my honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching, and have a great day.